Hey everyone, you all know I do a lot of videos about Zoom here on the Let's Do Video YouTube channel. So when I heard about Vedubox, an online learning app that uses Zoom for its classes, I had to take a closer look. Obviously, leveraging Zoom for your online classes makes sense. Your students and instructors are probably familiar with it and can focus on the lesson. But as I learned more about Vedubox, what I really found interesting, and the reason I'm sharing it with you, is that it's an all-in-one solution for things I thought you needed multiple apps to do. Let me explain. I can actually relate personally to this. A few years ago, I created an online course. I wanted to show how I do my live streaming tricks. So I created 10 video lessons, lessons 1 through 10. And then I looked for an app, a portal, some way to make it an online class. And I needed so many different apps to do what I wanted to do. I wound up going with a homegrown solution. I built my own website. And then I used some sort of WordPress plugin to sort of try to regulate access. So only students who signed up can have access to the classes. Then I had another plugin to do the e-commerce part of it. And a lot of it I just wound up not doing. There are things I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to track my students' progress, to see what classes they've taken, what lessons they've done. I wanted to have an exam at the end. I wanted to do certification, but it was all too expensive, too complicated, too many plugins. It was just all way too hard. But if we take a quick look at the features here in this one app, it really covers all of it. Let me zoom in so you can get a better look. It has the certificates, it has the exams, it has the gamification. You get points for attending classes. There's a leaderboard. You can see who's winning. It has, of course, the live classes, the recorded classes, and it even has a site maker. You can, like I did, but much easier, make a website for your course. I'm not going to go through all the features here. I'll put a link below and you can explore it yourself. I just wanted to make you aware of it. But the last thing that I looked into was the scalability, because this appears to be an accessible, user-friendly app for small to medium business. And it is, but it is capable of scaling up. In fact, they already have massive enterprise and educational customers, enterprise using it for training, educational using it for online classes. So it does scale. It's already been proven to scale. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.